Yo, what is going on, guys, everyone? Today I want to show you exactly how I've been making over $100,000 a month profit from meme coins without relying on trading. Instead of losing money every single month trading meme coins, I focus on launching the coins myself, structuring it correctly from the start, and then cashing out for profits on everyone. Deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading in my experience, and it's way more consistent because you have nothing to risk. Let's break it all down step by step today. Most people are stuck trying to trade meme coins. Meanwhile, my wallet grew to $9 million from being the one who is creating these coins and then dumping them after. In this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how to do it like me and possibly make you profitable in this market from deving. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they're just bad at trading. They lose because they only trade and they do not move on to better strategies. They just buy into coins, right, hoping for a quick pump, but the complete opposite happens. They get completely liquidated by the fucking dev of the coin, which means the person who created the coin dumps on them and takes the money of everyone. Now the truth is that in 2026, bro, deving meme coins has become way more profitable, way safer than trading. Why? Because, bro, launching coins costs virtually nothing. It costs $0 to make coins, but trading, though, you will need a big portfolio if you want to be profitable. So I would highly recommend to start deving, launching coins, waiting for people to buy in, and then dumping it for profits, and then rinse and repeating that method over and over again. That is the smartest way to back profits in this market, in my opinion. Now, when you launch your own coin, bro, you become the one in control of your own coin, which means you decide what you want to do. Do you want to clip profits, or do you want to just dump it directly and move on to the other coin? It's up to fucking you. And in this video, bro, I will be exposing the whole strategy, okay? I will do a live example. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev meme coins professionally, all in this video, bro. Keep watching, it's going to be fucking insane. By the way, bro, just to make things clear, this video does not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it. Do not copy me. Stop! Now, most people, when they start deving meme coins, they simply go to Pump.Fun and they try to make coins here, hoping for their coin to go viral. Now, let me tell you exactly why you are just wasting your time by making coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's oversaturated. It's overcompetitive, too many coins are launching, and as you guys can see here in the new pairs, there's coins coming out every single second. So if you are launching here, bro, you are just wasting potential. Now, the main goal as a dev is obviously to get your coin in front of the Radium DEX, which is basically the migrate section. This is where all the volume is when your coin hits this level. Now, to reach that point, bro, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun, and let's be honest, you are not going to reach that point because of the oversaturation. That's exactly why you have to be launching your meme coins, every single coin I'm talking about, on create meme.io, because, bro, let me tell you this, every single coin that is launched on create meme.io goes to Radium immediately. It skips the entire line and it goes to Radium without questions asked. That's why people are fucking gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, bro, to make a meme coin, bro, you could either create one from scratch or you can do another method. But if you were to create a coin from scratch, bro, you would just go on X and you would look for any narrative. It could be, I'm talking about anything, right? And then you would come back to create meme, you would invent a name, a symbol, and an image, and then your coin would be created live right now. But I personally love the second method, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Why? Because every single coin here that you're seeing, they all already have a good narrative, they're all going viral, and they're all gaining a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun as we speak. Now, the method here is to copy a coin from here, from this list, to Radium, right? And then you can bag a bunch of conversions and a bunch of buyers in your coin because you're copying a coin that went viral before. That's why I do this method, and I will do an example. Anyways, now it's time to copy a coin and see how much we can make from this method like I just explained, okay? This is where we do a live example. First of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is well connected. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to make, right? To copy. I'm gonna copy the alien coin, right? It looks good. Copy the radium right here. Click on that. Then ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied, right? Just wait for it to load real quick. And then boom, if I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain. 9 seconds ago, everything is live, everything is working. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is really simple, bro. Do not overcomplicate it. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool, okay? So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply, and it will be directly in the migrate section right here, okay? It's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SO to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SO for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet, so it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SO, then click on create pool, and then just wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up in a couple seconds, and then ignore the block. Once again, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Alien coin is now officially created and live on chain, okay? People can see our coin, and then your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at any given moment, click on refresh, and then it will refresh right here, and as you guys can see, our PNL went up to 146 bucks, which is a 134% gain in a couple seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon or Axum to see your coin, or you can go on your personal terminal, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen. The coin has to load in a couple of seconds, and now guys, the coin has loaded in. We're up 1.7k market cap, 1.1k liquidity. A bunch of buyers are coming in every single second. There's a bunch of shit happening right now. It's actually fucking insane. We just got a $71 buy, $70 buy right here again. Oh my god, bro. This is exactly why I highly recommend everyone watching this video to start deving, bro. It's not even a joke. It's way better than trading, okay? If you think otherwise, you are fucking brain dead. Oh my god, bro. We made this coin with literally $0. Oh my god. Oh damn, it's selling. Don't worry about it, bro. More and more people are going to see the coin and then potentially a pin, okay? So I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to load or for it to pump, and when I come back after like 5 minutes, we will see how much you're up and then cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and now it's time to cash out what we made, okay? I'm not sure how much we're up, but right here it says 1.8k liquidity, so it should be around there. Now come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 1.8k is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video, right? Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom White to just show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, 1.8k is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will, okay? You guys have to start deving, bro. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord, join my Telegram, and be consistent, bro, because, bro, this is all for educational purposes only. The results will vary from coin to coin. And if you want to win 5 so like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below for more info on that giveaway and to join it. Peace out.